So the first thing you do is to select that footage. Right now I've deselected it. When you select, you'll see it highlighted there, and the points are highlighted here. Then you come to the video effects here, transparency, and then choose background remover. Then there is an eyedropper here. This eyedropper, use this to just select any point on the video. When you simply select like that, you can see the green screen has disappeared, and now the video is just playing without the green screen. So I can decide to add another one, say the subscribe button right there. So simply you select that footage, then go to the video effects, transparency, then background remover, then simply select OK. You come to the eyedropper, then simply click on that video, then that one runs to the very end. Yeah, so it ends like that. So that's how to simply remove the green screen using the VSDC Video Editor. So that's how it is, and that's the full video as it is. Under the background removal effects, you will realize that we have the chroma key color. Here is a bright green, and then the mode is the YUV. That's the YUV mode color chroma key. There is another one, HSL chroma key color, then by the chroma key mask. Now the YUV chroma key color is what I can simply call the basic chroma key for VSDC Free Editor. But if you want to use the second one by HSL chroma key color, then you may need to upgrade to the premium version of VSDC, the Pro version. If I decided to use the HSL chroma key color, you will realize that it's telling me that this feature is premium and available only for preview use. To be able to export the project, make use of the Pro version. That means that I may not be able to export the video with the chroma key or the green screen removed, because this is a premium feature. You have to upgrade for you to use. But because I'm using the basic one, which is a free version, the YUV chroma key color is the one we go for, because that one will allow you to export your video without any restrictions.